Hello viewer, welcome to the YouTube channel FahadYounas. Today I will discuss the topic methods of animal nutrition. Introduction to animal nutrition. Animals require a balanced diet of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water for growth, maintenance and reproduction. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Herbivores eat only plants and have specialized digestive systems to break down cellulose. Carnivores have sharp teeth and strong digestive systems to process meat. Omnivores eat both plants and animals and have a combination of herbivores and carnivore digestive characteristics. The digestive system. The four main methods of animal nutrition are monogastric digestion, one stomach, ruminant digestion, multi chamber stomach, hind gut fermentation, large intestine, and forgut fermentation, esophagus. Types of digestion. Monogastric digestion involves one stomach chamber. Ruminant digestion includes four stomach chambers. Hindgut fermentation occurs in the large intestine. Absorption of nutrition. Animals have different digestive systems to break down food into nutrients. The nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine and transported to cells for energy. Methods of animal nutrition. Animal nutrition is the science of understanding how animals obtain and utilize nutrients from the diet to maintain health, growth, and productivity. There are various methods and approaches used to study and optimize animal nutrition. Here are some key methods of animal nutrition. Feed analysis. Proximate analysis. This method involves analyzing the feed for its major components, including moisture, protein, fat, fiber, ash, and carbohydrates. These components provide essential information about the nutritional content of the feed. Digestibility trials, metabolic cages or respiration chambers. Animals are housed in controlled environmental where their feed intake and excretion, feces and urine, and measured to determine are the digestibility of nutrients. Maker methods. Indigestible makers are added to the diet, and the excretion of these makers is used to estimate nutrient digestibility. Balanced studies. Animal are feed a known amount of nutrient, and the intake, retention, and excretion of the nutrient are measured to determine the balance of that nutrient in the body. Feed trial. Animals are fed different diets and their performance parameters such as growth rate, feed efficiency, and egg or milk production are mentioned to evaluate the nutritional value of the diet. Chemical analysis. Spectroscopy, chromatography, and other chemical techniques are used to measure the concentrations of specific nutrients and compounds in feed and biological samples. In vitro study. In vitro method involve conducting experiments outside the living organism, often used isolated organs, tissues, and microbes to assess nutrient digestion and fermentation processes. Bioassays. These tests involve using live animal to determine the biological activity or availability of a specific nutrient or compound in a feed. Nutrient requirement models. Mathematical models are developed to estimate the nutrient requirements of different animal species, taking into the account factors such as age, weight, activity level, and production goals. Genomic and molecular approaches. With advancements in genetic and genomic reactions, and researchers can investigate how genes and molecular processes influence nutrient utilization in animals. Feed fermentation and formulation software. Computer software is used to formulate balanced diet for animals by optimizing nutrient content and cost effectiveness. Nutrient profiling evaluates the nutrient content of feed ingredients and helps in selecting ingredients that provide the required nutrients for animals. Microbiological techniques are used to study the microbial population in the digestive system of animals, which play a critical role in nutrient digestion and fermentation. Field studies. Observational and experimental studies are conducted on farms to assess the impact of different feeding strategies on the health and performance of animal nutrition surveys. These surveys help identify nutrient deficiencies or excesses in the diets of animals and guide nutrition recommendations. The choice of method depends on the specific research or reproduction goals and the type of animal being studied. Researchers, nutritionists, and farmers use a combination of these methods to ensure that animals receive the appropriate nutrition for their growth, reproduction, and the overall well being. Thank you for letting me share my knowledge about animal nutrition with you. We appreciate your support for FahadYounas channel. Please consider sharing, liking, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching my video and share.